What you need to get started: a 2.5mm Allen wrench, a T20 Torx driver, or an impact driver, pliers, wire cutters, and the Doodle Scrub Handle conversion kit. The Doodle Scrub Handle conversion kit includes the Doodle Scrub wiring harness, 1 motor ground screw, 4 cover screws, 2 wire connectors, 1 tube of 100% silicone, the new Doodle Scrub cover, and a new Doodle Scrub handle. Do not reuse old parts. This includes the handle. The wiring harness has been relocated under the cover. Using the old handle can cause damage to the machine. Unplug the power cord and disconnect the handle. Use a T20 Torx driver to remove the 4 cover screws. Remove the carry strap. Lift the cover and set it beside the Doodle Scrub base. Use a 2.5mm Allen wrench to remove the motor ground screw. Cut both sets of black and red wires leading from the red wire connectors. Apply a bead of silicone to the machine base. Set the new wiring harness in the silicone as seen here. Allow 2 to 4 hours for the silicone to dry. Insert the black wire from the motor and the black wire from the harness into the connector and clamp down using pliers. Insert the red wire from the motor and the red wire from the harness into the connector and clamp down using pliers. Connect both green ground wires to the motor using the new motor ground screw. Connect the 2 white wires and the 2 black wires. Lower the cover onto the base and align the carry strap. Tighten the new cover screws. Connect the handle and power supply and test the Doodle Scrub on a driver pad.